What's going on, everyone? Welcome back, and today let's take a look at Ehang. So they actually released new footage of supposedly one of their facilities. So here, let's just look at the chart right now, and currently the price hovering around 66, almost $67. And I want to show you this new video because I just made a previous one the other day talking about the so-called short reports, all the claims stating why Ehang is essentially not what they're actually showing, all of this, and then they released these new footage which I gave my thoughts on. So if you want to check that out, I'll put a link in the description for that previous video. But this is a brand new update, so unless you've seen it, here I'm on their YouTube, and you can see here, and you can just go type it Ehang and go to it yourself too if you want to see it. And also notice how I can't see anything in the description of this video, so it's pretty much, yeah, I guess this is just literally it. And so here, from a drone perspective, it looks like there's some sort of like landing pad. You got the Ehang logo. We got some cars driving by. Ehang logos on this building as well. And this is pretty much like half of the video just them like showing this logo. So here's some interior insides, I guess. And I'll just let you guys watch it in a second, and then I'll give you my thoughts. Yeah, so right there, actually, let me just make some comments because the video is so short. This, I don't even know what this is, right? So let's just play through the video really quick. It's, like 30 more seconds. But yeah, you can see here, I don't even know what that is. And maybe I can just fast forward this because it's here, like I don't know what this does. What is this for? And then pretty much, yeah, here's some more like, manufacturing things, and then just outside view, and it looks like that's pretty much it, right? This is literally the entire the video. So you can look at this at two ways, right? There's the one way where it's, hey, look, they actually have a facility, they weren't lying, the short reports, everything, it's false. And then two is you can look at it and take what the reports state and then try to see if it fits with what they comment on. And that's the way I'm going to look at it. And again, these are just my own opinions. If you disagree, let me know in the comments below. But just off this short video, and again, if they make a new update like the next day or whatever, then obviously I can make a new video talking about it. But at least what we have so far is just this video, and then the guy walking around the facility on the previous one, at least when I'm filming. So just off of this, right here, I don't know what these buildings are. That's one. This building, not sure what that is. Pretty much it looks like it's just these buildings, right? Based off these logos. Again, they could have this entire thing right here, everything. But again, they didn't show that. This is like a little landing spot. Okay, that makes sense. But aside from that, right? If we just go back to like here, right? Like this, it's literally empty, right? It's empty. And there's no context, right? Like no one, unless you're from China and you've been to this building, and then you can confirm, right? But like anyone outside of China or wherever this is located, they literally don't know what this is, right? Because there's no logos in here, there's nothing here. And again, this is just me looking at it from a straight up standpoint, saying exactly what I see. And then pretty much it just shows this, right? Okay. These machines, someone, can you comment, tell me what these do? Because from the normal person who's not into, this type of machinery or technology, like, we have no idea what this is, right? Or at least myself, I don't understand, like, what's the use of these machines. Like, it doesn't really, for someone who's investing, regular retail investors, unless, they're professionals in, like, drone making and all that, then they wouldn't know what this is, right? And then here, this, I don't even know what this is meant to be. Like, can someone tell me what you think this is supposed to be used for? Because it's just empty, right? Like, if you could tell me this is like a giant, like storage facility, you wouldn't know what this is used for, right? And then here, I don't know what this is, right? So, again, me just looking at this from a straight up what I see. Here, this is right there too. And just based off the report, right? So this is the report, and I'm just going to show you what I see, right? So the report states how essentially their factories are empty. There's no employees in sight. And this video, it's almost to the T where they literally there's no employees in sight. There's like barely like one or two cars driving around the beginning. There's a empty, like insides are empty, not even sure what those things do. And I guess they're just trying to show that they have, you know, a facility building. They got their logo, and it looks like they're trying to essentially build it. And I mean, I looked up the actual name on the actual website, right? So here, let me just drag this over. Here it's stating this is the, where's the word? Yunfu City, or how do we pronounce that word? And this is stating that essentially their facility, where it states right here. And pretty much this was, I think the article was July 20th. I don't see the actual date, but if I go back, right, and I just click here, July 30, 2020, so like last year, and then you can see here too the facility. So these are just updates here, but I'm just looking up what the actual articles say, right? So it's saying here, let's see, this is just some random website. Let me just click on this. I haven't seen this one yet. So here, yeah, July 29th, 2020. Now it's a new factory, and then pretty much it states here the factory costs $6 million, initial capacity 600 crafts a year. So right off the bat, 600. Obviously, I mean, if you're starting off, it's decent start for something that's, you know, much more complex than like cars, which, okay, that makes sense. But the date was over a year ago, or not, yeah, pretty much, you know, last year. And here, the city, the Yunfu facility, right, exactly what the video title says, showcases essentially on this video, this, right? So if I'm incorrect, definitely correct me down below. But based off these articles and just quick Google search, this apparently is this facility that they started back in summer or maybe earlier of 2020, and yet the things that they shown here is just straight up empty, right? So again, I'm just looking at this from a person on the outside, just trying to give my own insights, and based off of the reports where they state their facilities are empty, there's no employees, there's literally nothing inside of it that's like production wise. It's hard to look at it other than what it shows, right? So I'm trying to look at this like, hey, this is an awesome product, this could be huge, but based off what they show, it's like, you know, I can't really go from anything except what they're showing. So again, you can read through the comments, everyone's like, oh, this is amazing, everything, but then there's one person, two people that actually are saying, hey, this matches up with the reports where they say it's empty, there's nothing in there. And again, they can make a new update video, obviously, so we have to wait and see. But I'm just stating what I see right now. And also the insides, again, like I said, like there's literally no drones in sight. So I don't know why they would show this kind of stuff. Like, that doesn't make sense. But definitely let me know your thoughts in the comments below. What did you think of Ehang? And then what do you think about this video? Because at the end of the day, based off the reports match up with their claims off of this video. So again, they'd have to at least show some sort of drones even attempting to be built. It doesn't even have to be, you know, 600 like their capacity, but, you know, like 1, 2, etc. actually being created versus just showing it like on display. Something I think that would actually be able to straight up counteract whatever these reports are saying. And a lot of people in the comments too are stating how the CEO should just fly around like an hour in the drone and just show people like, hey, this, you know, this is legit, this isn't some like test thing, and then give some sort of like response like in person versus just giving these like, you know, quiet videos. But again, these are just my thoughts and my own opinions. And if you did make it this far in the video, I want to give you guys 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. And all you need to do is click on the link in the description below. Sign up for an account on Webull and deposit $100 or more. And then you'll be able to receive 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. And if you use my referral link, I'll also receive 2 free stocks as well. And that benefits both of us. And aside from that, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to see more updates on the market. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.